buyers are touring properties and at higher rates than last year in most areas except the Maryland Eastern Shore and the mountain market regions showed lower buyer activity. It's Friday, June 13th, 2025. Happy, shiny, lucky Friday the 13th to you. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The Baltimore metro market saw new purchase contracts up 6.7%. Southern Maryland new purchase contracts are up 2.7% this week, and prices are 8.2% up from last year this same time. The Maryland metro suburbs saw new purchase contracts down 10%, and prices remained unchanged. New purchase contracts dropped 33% in the mountain region, but prices are up 11.3% there. Here's what's happening with the inventory activity in Maryland. Coming soon properties totaled 1,685 this report. New listings fell 12% to 2,393 homes offered. Homes going under contract fell 9% to 1,795 going under contract in 14 days. 1,229 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio, selling in 10 days. Rental properties rose again this week with 2,785 rentals available at $2,575 median dollars per month. Whether you are looking to buy or sell in Maryland, these numbers can help you make informed decisions. As always, feel free to reach out to me at Kinetic Realty for personalized advice and guidance. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 13th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.